Inception with the name of Allah the Almighty, who knows all the secrets of our hearts. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching the Shahzad Official, and today we have an important topic, which is covalent bond. This is a bond which was discovered by G. and Lewis in 1916. This bond is found between two non-metals elements. Those elements which not conduct electricity are known as non-metals. The bond which is found by sharing of electron. This is a bond which is only found by sharing of electron. कुछ ऐसे bond होते हैं, some bonds are like which will be transferred of full electron. This is a bond which is found by sharing of electron. So this was given by J. and Lewis, and this is a bond which is found by non-metals, and non-metals are those elements which do not conduct electricity, and metals are those which conduct electricity. After that, this is a bond which is found by high electronegative elements. There are three types of this bond: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond, this is a bond which is found by sharing of one pair of electron. What do you think, dear students? So what sharing? Sharing means one will share or both will share. Sharing means both will share equally to each other. Means equally they will share. If one is sharing 2 electrons, front one will also share 2 electrons. Means like that, as in single covalent bond. In single covalent bond there is chlorine. What is the electron configuration of chlorine? Single means one, sharing of 1 electron. Electron configuration of single covalent bond is 2, 8, 7. Means 2 in K shell, 8 in L shell, and in 7 in M shell. Means it needs only 1 electron to complete its octet. Same here, chlorine, it also needs 1 electron to complete its octet. Here they will share to each other 1 pair of electron. Then their octet will be completed. Its octet is also completed. Its octet is also completed by sharing of electron. This is known as single covalent bond, which is denoted by one single line. So chlorine octet has completed. Now come to double covalent bond. The bond which is found by sharing of two pairs of electron. The bond which is found by sharing of 2 pair of electron. Here oxygen, if you see, oxygen has 8 electrons in its means we can say its valence shell. If you see, it has 6 electrons. In K shell there is 2. It needs only 2 electrons to complete its octet. Here oxygen is also same, 2 electrons here, and after that 6 electrons are here present in its valence shell. So it needs only 2 electrons. They will share two pairs of electron to complete their octet. So here are the oxygen, and it is shown by single, means 2 lines. Then triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond is found by sharing of 3 pairs of electron. Here nitrogen, this structure, if you see nitrogen, and here means in its K shell there is 2 electron, and in L shell there is 5 electrons. Means it needs 3 electrons to complete its octet. There is also nitrogen, same here, 2 electrons and 5. It also needs 3 electrons to complete its octet. Here they will share equally, means 3 electrons from this element and 3 electrons from this. It will be 3 pairs, means then their octet will be completed. So this was today's lecture. What we learned about covalent bond. Covalent bond means is a bond which is found by sharing of electrons and equally sharing of electron. Sharing means both will share equally. If I say the transfer of electron means one will give the electron. If sharing of electron means both will share equally. Found between non-metals. ये किसमें होता है? It is found only between non-metal elements. And single covalent bond, I have told you about this, shown by single line and found by sharing of 1 pair of electron. In double, found by sharing of 2 pairs of electron, and in triple, found by sharing of 3 pairs of electron. In triple there is 3 lines shown by denoted by triple covalent bond, denoted by 3 lines. Double covalent bond denoted by two lines, and single covalent bond is denoted by one line. So this is a bond which is formed by high electronegative elements, means those elements which have high electronegativity. Tendency, what is electronegativity? The tendency to attract the electron towards itself is known as electronegativity, means this is a tendency to attract. So this was a bond all about today's topic. So thank you very much.